Hi, it's Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. How are we doing? So I've got another unboxing video for you today, and we will be unboxing this funky little device. So this is a Unifi Cloud Key. Stick with me, don't drop off, don't go what's he on about. What this device is, it's for maintaining secure wireless networks and networking devices, but more importantly, and the reason I'm more interested in this relatively little box here is capable of recording CCTV footage. So rather than having a great big box in your office, which looks like an old school video player, remember them, to record your CCTV footage, this little box will do exactly the same. So that's why I'm really interested in this product. That's the main reason I've got it. The networking stuff as well, we do already have a device to look after that, but that's the reason we've got this. So I will now unbox the Unifi Gen2 Cloud Key. I'm looking forward to this. So I'm just gonna get rid of the plastic cellophane, and then we'll have a look. It's the first time I've ever seen this as well, so my genuine reactions to what we're seeing. So I've taken off the plastic. Let's see if we can get into this device and have a little look at it, see what we've got. And ready? It'll be worth the wait, I promise. So I've taken off the box lid, and below there it is. So it looks like almost like an external CD drive. It's really small. You know, you can tell it fits in my hand, look. But this, like I said, is capable of recording hours and hours and days of CCTV footage, which is truly amazing in my opinion. So there it is, the Unifi Cloud Key unboxed, ready for me to migrate our existing one. We've got an old version of one of these that doesn't do the CCTV stuff, which I'm going to migrate all the networking stuff to this box, but then I'm also going to set up a new security system on this as well. I will no doubt do a full video about all that once I've set it up and tested it and checked it out. But yeah, there we go. That is an unboxed Unifi Cloud Key Gen 2. And yeah, on the front of it, it's just got a little display I can see here. I'm sure this will come up with all numbers and statistics and stuff once it's got some power. And on the back, we have simply got some USB ports and the most important thing, Ethernet port and a power button. So it's as simple as that. That's all there is to this funky little powerful box. So really looking forward to setting it up, and I'm sure I'll end up doing a follow-up video, but that's it for today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this. Please do smash the like button if you did. Please do subscribe to the channel. We're releasing new content all the time. And likewise, do check out the links below to connect with me on LinkedIn, Instagram and Twitter. And feel free to comment on the video. I do aim to personally get back to everybody. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.